have to keep things vague. Jumble up all the men, the exes, the lovers. It doesn't matter who they are. It matters how they make me feel.
The book is all stream of consciousness, and so you're sort of in the minds or in the diaries of all three women, and it wasn't that I related with any one. They all have such different perspectives. I couldn't say that I related with one. I think I related with them all, and I think that will translate really, really well. I think that there is a little part of each of these characters in all of us.
Lying is like taking a trip. It's like having a secret that no one else knows.
In Rachel's head, from her perspective, these two characters have what she's always wanted, what she's always dreamed of. And in reality, you know, Megan is in a very unhappy marriage, and she's living in the suburbs as a social outcast, and she's very lonely, and she becomes sort of restless and reckless.
Why are you really here, Rachel?
Because I'm afraid of myself.
We're all flawed, and I think that after seeing this film, flawed will be the new normal, I think, you know, and in some cases, others are more flawed, but, and in this case, it's like obviously a heightened example of this, but, yeah, I definitely think people will be examining their lives in a different way after seeing this movie.